Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Vishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Let's do a general collective reading for sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This reading is about karma of your ex for hurting you, who is not in contact with you. Let's take a deeper look at their current feelings about you and their karma. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. So do like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. I have already shuffled the cards. Let's see how they played you. Ace of Chalices, Devil, God, Thief. So here you had offered all your emotion and love to this person, and you had a lot of feelings for them. I can see that. And you offered a lot of love to them. You had times together in rainy season also. I can feel it. You went into nature. You had lot of time spent with each other. You had lot of passion with this person. They had lot of passion with you also. But they had their secret agenda. A devil is that they were just taking advantage of you. And you never knew that. Passion was like too good with this person, and you got involved. And all of a sudden, what this person did is, this person had a third person. Can you see this? This is a thief. This person had another person whom they used to meet secretly, and you never knew anything about it. Might be they had a child with this person also, or you have a child with this person, and you had very so much of confidence in them, but they were just taking advantage of you, and they were a thief. And all of a sudden, they left. This relationship was for 6 months, 6 years, or 6 weeks. You have to tell me that. So this person just left you, and they made fun of you behind your back. They were very evil and cruel with you when they left you. It was very unexpected to you, whatever happened between both of you. Okay, so how they feel about playing with you now? The crone, five of coins, courtship. From these cards, for some of you, I'm getting that you have a child with this person, or you were in a long term relationship with this person, and they just left you. Now they think that if they would have told you, you would have never let them go. That is what they are thinking. So they took a strong step. They just ghosted you. We might be they thief is a person who steals. They might have stolen your money, emotions, your peace of mind. It is not about material thing, but here material thing is involved. Like both of you had some finances together, might be, and they are thinking to have a meeting with you and discuss about this finances thing with you. For some of you, others of you, I think this person just is just in their pride and ego, and they don't think that that was necessary to have a meeting with you and tell you that they are going to leave you. So this much importance also they didn't wanted to give you. This is very sad. These people are so heartless, they behave so heartless. Anyway, so what's going on in their life now? Ace of Pentacle, privileged lady, Six of Wands. There was a third party, as I told you. Yeah, 2 plus 1 is 3. This person is going to, they have planned a new start with this third person, and they are just showing off this third person everywhere. I'm so sorry if I'm hurting your feelings. I don't want to. I'm just reading the cards, whatever is coming here. They are, yeah. They have started a new life with this third person and they are just showing off everyone. Let's see what is the truth about this third party. Let's see. Three of Atham. It is three of swords in general deck. Okay. So the sun and the child. So here I am getting this third party. Something is about to come in light. This third party is going something about child with this person. If this third party is going to have a child with your person, that child is not theirs. Once this truth comes out or this comes to light, your person will leave them and separate themselves from this person, and they will not be able to talk to anybody because they have showed off a lot. Here 6 of wands is showing off, show off person. They were very proud to have this person, but this third party is what they are going to do is this third party, the child what they have with this person, third party, your person having a child with this third person is not theirs. Once this truth comes to light, your person will leave them or that person is going to leave them, something like that. Take vice versa, whatever happens. But here they are going to go in separate ways for sure, and they will be very sad. Your person will be very sad about it, whatever they did. So this is truth about the third party. So what's going on with them now? Nature, queen of wands, and main male. So here I think they are very excited about this third person. Queen of wands is typical third party. It can be a person, family, friend, but here I can see it is a third party, like partner type thing. So they are planning for something big with this queen of wands. They are trying to impress this person a lot, and they are doing everything. They are planning their dreams with this person. But the one thing about this person is that everything is done in secret. You never knew anything about this. So this is what is going on now. Okay. Next is how they feel about you now. After playing with you, how do they feel about you now? High priestess, world, message. They are thinking to message you that they have ended everything with you, and you can manifest anything you want to with some other person. Yeah, they are keeping an eye on you, and they are thinking that you can manifest anyone you want to in your life, and they want to message you that they have ended things with you. I'm so sorry, these are so brutal messages I'm getting. I cannot help it, whatever has come out here, I'm just reading it. Anyway, so how you feel about them? Nine of Athamas, three of coins, and community. So you know that this person is going for third party. If you know this third party, you know that they have done this third party just to show off this community people, and you are so in pain. You are so much in pain. You keep crying, and you whenever you think of them in night, in middle of night also, you are not able to control yourself. You just keep on thinking, why did they this to me? Why did they did this thing to me? Where was I wrong? What happened? Oh God, please don't cry or don't feel bad about such people. You have seen that they are going to come to know very soon. Don't worry, they are going to come to the realization that this third party was not worth their time. And they will realize that they lost you also. So don't worry, such people doesn't deserve you. If they are a show off person, here also community is there, here also 6 of wands is there. So this is a person who is just show off, and a person who is a thief. Why you have to cry over them? Please don't do that. Let them face their karma, whatever they. Just you take care of yourself. Okay. So let's see what's their karma. Seven of Pentacles, Four of Swords, toil and labor. See, I told you this person is a thief. They are devilish. They are a narcissist person. They think about themselves. They are very selfish. So, what is their karma is they will have to suffer for 7 years. Seven pentacles means one pentacle is 1 year. So, this person will get caught up into a cycle of 7 years. They will be working around continuously. They will be working for money. See, toil and labor. So they will be continuously working on their money and they will be sick. Four of Swords is also resting, working, resting, working. In fact, also Four of Swords can also be sickness card that they might be recovering from some illness. This might happen because they are continuously working, and these swords, how they broke your heart, these four swords will always be there, this on in back of their mind, why did they did this thing to you. So they will not regret about what they did to you, but they will understand that you are gone and they have to work hard. If they were stealing money from you, if they stole money from you, they will have to work very hard for next 7 years, and they will have to recover from some long term disease or sickness. That's for sure, just because they stole everything from you or they took your peace of mind. Anyway, let's see some oracle messages. Sorry, not oracle messages, some messages from your partner, what they want to, if they had a chance to talk with you, what they would have spoken. Angels guide, please give me some messages. See, I had a fallout of this connection, so I suddenly stopped communicating. I think they just stopped, they just went, vanished on you. You are lonely without me. I wish you would come to me. So sick. I want you to stay in illusion which kept you stuck. If you loved this person a lot, so you are still, that is what they want. They want you in pain. This is a narcissist. I'm taking my sweet time because I know it will wait. You will wait till I'm done playing with others. Oh my god. 100% this is a narcissist person. Don't wait for them. They would have spoken with you or they would have done anything else. You are waiting for this closure of, you know, you already know that this person is with a third party, and you are still waiting and you are in lot of pain, and they know this, still they are not giving you closure. So they know you will wait for them. Don't wait for them. Yes, I am in and out of your life because I know it's easy to manipulate your vulnerability. How can anybody do that? You are a very kind and very good hearted person, so they are doing this to you because they know you are very vulnerable and you are very innocent, and you will wait for them. Don't worry. See, it's very hard to be with someone who doesn't love you back. So don't try to force force anything upon you. Okay, let's take some advice messages from universe for you. What should you do now? Universe guide, please give me 3 messages. Please give me 3 messages. Okay. Financial constraint, the world, caring connection, thinking woman. Okay. Thinking man. See? Door to romance. Very nice. Look, when you stop thinking about this person, you have to end this financial constraint thing or whatever they stole from you. You have to leave this thing back. You know, You have to come out of this situation. You have to end this situation with this person completely. Then a caring connection will come. 4 plus 1 is 5. But this will be a perfect match for you, because see, here is a thinking woman. Because you have gone through a lot, you keep on thinking, and you will have this other person, whoever coming towards you is also a thinking man. So you will be perfect for each other. You people will be perfect match for each other. So when you let this person go, this financial thing, if they have robbed you with something, just get over it. World is just end this cycle with this person, and door to romance will open. So there is lot of hope for you. Just leave this narcissist back. He will suffer in pain. He is going to suffer. His karma is also saying, and this third party, whomever they have chosen over you, they are going to go through a lot. You just take mark my words, they are going to go through a lot. So just leave them alone and get over this pain. I don't want you to cry like this and be in pain. You don't deserve that. Okay, chapters are over and you have to move forward in life. You cannot get stuck up just because other person wants you to get stuck up there. No, get over them, start your life fresh, and you will have a very caring. See, this person who is coming towards you will be very caring and loving like you are. You you like flowers also, I think. Yeah. So he will be always taking care. This is flowers means that he will be taking care of your feelings, not like this last person. Whatever they have done, they are not even bothered, they are not even regretting. So don't do it. Don't do this to yourself. Okay. So this I hope you like this video. Please do comment in video so that I can connect with you people. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon. Next video. Love and light.